Welcome. In front of me is an INFINIX Smart 8, and today I'll show you how you can import contacts from the SIM card to the phone. So to get started, you want to open up the standalone contacts application. There we go. From here we're gonna navigate to these settings, import, export contacts. Import contacts, select where you want to import them from. I'll be selecting my SIM card, which is this one. Then it asks you where you want to import them to. And for you, this might look a little bit different. For me, it shows me my Google account, which I have only one signed in. But if you have multiple, they would all be showing up here, along with the option to import them straight to your device. So I'm going to select phone. This in turn will display all the contacts that are located on your selected option, which for me was a SIM card, and I can quickly select all of them by clicking right here. And you can also deselect or select them manually if you want to. From there, click on OK. And that's it. The contacts have now been imported, and when you go back, you should be able to find them in your list. So with that being said, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.